In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your project to WebGL. And it's actually really easy. Most devs think this is a huge process. It actually really takes only a few minutes. So let's start with opening up a project. Make sure you have the correct library installed. I'm going to install this version of Unity. Now, what's important here is that you have to have WebGL support built in. So make sure WebGL support is selected and then click install. So now that Unity is open, what you do is you come to the file menu and you go to build settings. In some version, this is known as the build profile. In here, you will see different platforms you can build for. You simply select the WebGL. If web is not already installed, you will have to install it first. And then after it is installed, you can click the switch platform. And the switch platform will then convert everything over for you to a web version of the platform. So once the WebGL is done converting the project, first actually go to player settings. And in player settings, you want to try to have some compression on, either gzip or Brotli, or you can disable it. Typically, you want to keep your max memory also below 2 gigabytes because that is the maximum that browsers like Chrome will allow. So come back to your build settings again, and then you're just going to do a build and run. Now, it would ask you to create a folder. You simply come and you set, say, name this folder the web export, and it will now build everything inside that folder for you and then launch it in the browser. After Unity is done building your game, it'll actually appear in your browser as such, and you should be able to actually play it a little bit, have some fun, test it out to make sure it works, and if everything works correctly, you're pretty much done. So we're now ready to deploy this onto Glitch. All right, so to deploy the game, you come to deploy files. Select Unity in this case as your deploy option. It has all the instructions here, and pretty much now we just need to zip the folder up. So I'm going to copy this zip command here. So here I am inside my project folder. I remember I named this web export. So let's cd into the web export, and I'm just going to paste the Unity command here, and it's going to zip everything up for me. I have now a complete build, so I can click next here. Let's do version 0 before. The index is the entry point for this game. This is going to be a demo trial of the game, and it's a WASM, so it's a Godot file. Then I simply select my file. All right, so here's my build ready to go. I'm going to open it, and then I'm going to click Start Deployment, and I'm done. And then when the deployment is complete, it will be here, and you can then switch on to which deployments are live and which one is not. Like this production build for the main game, I turned off, but the other ones are all on, and you're done with deployment for Unity. That's it.